Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So welcome to another food vlog. So today we are going to cook smokies. We have two smokies here which has not been cooked, and here we have some potatoes and one onion. So what we are going to do, we are going to boil our potatoes first. So this is our peeled potatoes. It has been chopped into small pieces. So we are going to boil them. So I've put my potatoes in a sufuria with some water. So I'm going to add salt to taste. So I'm going to add salt. Then I put on the fire to boil. So let me chop my onions while the potatoes are boiling. Since I love onions, I'm going to use all these onions. So our potatoes are already cooked. So we are going to drain the excess water. Then you are going to rinse with cold water to prevent overcooking. So this is the potatoes. So here we are going to start with frying our smokies. So our smokies is ready. I'm going to drain in the excess water, the excess oil. Oh my god. Then we fry in our tomatoes. Our potatoes are ready too, though they overcooked, but it's okay. So I'm draining in the excess oil. So here we are going to fry the potatoes with our smokies. I'm going to add in some onions. So I'm going to leave my onions to cook for a while. So our onions is ready. I'm going to add in the potatoes. So I've added in my potatoes. Then I add in my smoky cut into small pieces. So guys, this is how it has turned out. The smokies and the potatoes, fried potatoes with smoky. So the potatoes was not supposed to overcook, but it overcooked. First attempt failed. We are going to try again. Wow, it looks yummy.